know. I'm afraid. I think it's angry.
I don't think so. I think it likes you.
Really? Do you understand dogs?
Yes, usually. A lot of animals communicate with people, but we don't always understand what they're saying. When a dog barks, maybe it's angry, but maybe it's warning you that it hears something, or it wants food. A happy dog moves its tail and its ears are up.
I see, but I don't like dogs very much.
I prefer cats. Listen, it likes me. My favourite animal is the whale. Whales are big and beautiful, and they sing.
What do you mean?
They make a noise like singing. That's how they communicate.
Cool. Is singing common in the animal world?
No, it isn't.
I think giraffes are the best. They rub necks to say, "You're my friend."
Aww.